Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, in today's video, we are going to be showing you guys exactly step by step on how we made over $500 in 2 days of trading stocks. So I hope you enjoy it. Smash the like button, subscribe. But if you want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic. We have two tiers. We have the beginner tier, which is $50. Then we have the pro tier, which is $200, but we're doing a flash sale for over 50% off using code 2026. Sign up. I'll see you guys in there. We teach you how to find undervalued stocks, how to build a strategy. We have private live streams, group chats, all that. So check it out and let's dive into this here. So the first thing that I always do is I find a stock here on an upward trend. Right. And we've really took a variety of great positions over the past couple of weeks. But on WELL, we made near and around about $500 from a simple strategy. First step, look at the trend. The stock has gone from literally about 150 to 200 in about a year, has a good upward trend, a good amount of buying pressure. Step two is to find support. Support could be a variety of things. It could be a certain price indicator. Now, with WELL, you'll notice it has heavy support here on this blue line, which is a 90-day moving average line, right? It hits it once, twice, three times, four times, five. It hits it a bunch each and every time. We've seen a lot of great support there. So that is step two. Step three is to look at an indicator by the name of the RSI. Now, the RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. It's right here. This pretty much tracks momentum and it helps you find undervalued stock, essentially. At the time here, it was trading for about a 35. The last time it was trading for a 35, the stock went from 180 to 215. So I knew we could get some sort of move going up. It's important to look at the RSI because history tends to repeat itself. So if you find it, under a 40, it could be a good opportunity to pick up some shares. Step two is to go to a lower, or step, what is this, 3, 4, whatever we're at. The next step is to go to a lower time frame. I always go to the hourly or the 4-hourly chart. Now, obviously, the reason why I do this is because it helps you narrow in on your entry point, pretty much. So at the time, we can actually remove these moving average lines now because what we saw essentially was a stock that was pretty much trading like this, right? So it was hitting this yellow line and it was just having a hard time breaking above it. That's called a resistance line. Now, but since the daily sold off, but the hourly's hitting resistance, we could use something called a resistant breakout. This is where the stock gets enough momentum, enough buying pressure to change the trend. So what you do is we threw an alert over about 199. The thought process was, okay, if we get a push up, it's a new change of direction, and we could enter here, keep our stops below the low at 192 for a possible push up to 214. So that's pretty good risk management. Let's go ahead and draw that out. Now, I always use Moomoo. Everybody always asks what broker I use. I'll put a link to them down below. Now, this was the thought I had. Okay, entering at the breakout, stops below here for push up to highs, gives a 2.8 risk and reward. So essentially, you're risking $1 to make about $3, which is pretty good. So now when the stock broke out and started to move up, really we just kind of keep adjusting our stop loss, right? Now, as we looked at it, we got our indicators back up and you can see it just really loves using that 50-day moving average line as support. So you can see that yellow line, it hits it a bunch. We see a lot of great support as well as a great trend line here. So we're kind of doing a combination of both. We're using the trend and moving average line as support here for WELL. So the second dips down below this for over pretty much 1 hour, forms one full candlestick under this. We'll go ahead, sell our shares, move on to other opportunity. But as of right now, we're up over $550. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn how, check out our school. I'll see you guys in there. Like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.